Now this is more like it. This definitely feels more like World Championships. Like this stage is so much bigger.
They got their worlds on.
Yes. Bro, that's crazy.
So, I mean, I know this is a proper professional venue, but still, it's nice to see the cool stuff.
Yeah, I know. I was wondering, I was hoping that like what they had going on yesterday was not like what was for the whole comp. But this is like very, very cool. So we out here at day 2. It's Friday. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it.
We got like 5 hours of sleep last night. It's pretty rough.
It's only day 2.
Yeah,
but
so it's probably only going to get worse from here.
We're going to have fun though.
We are going to have a lot of fun.
That's what it's all about.
I'm excited. I'm competing in 5x5 in 30 minutes, but Tiana has my 5x5.
Oh, yeah.
She's competing right now.
Because she keeps stealing it and using it?
Well, no, she's competing right now. I'm competing in half an hour.
Yeah.
So she's going to have to compete and then bring it back to me before I have to go up. So 5x5 went pretty good. This cube is really awesome. I'm really liking it for competing. It's, yeah, I got a 122 actually, which was really clean. That was a nice solve. It was kind of a rush being up there. Like it's a really cool spot to be. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so now I don't have anything else till noon, which is 4x4. Also, no one else is here yet. I think. Hopefully they're not all asleep still. This is some fire-looking wonton soup. Okay, let's try one of these wontons. See how it is. I feel like it's gonna be way too hot.
I got an Arnold Palmer vibe from it. Like I got iced tea and I got lemonade a little bit. But I know it's not that, but that's what it tasted like. Oh, dude.
Very, very good. Here's the view of the stage from the front. As you can pretty much see everything from up here, including Steve. Hey! So 4x4 is about to start. I'm in the next group, so I should probably practice for that a bit. And hopefully do okay. So I'd say 4x4 was a success. I got a 36, which is maybe a comp PR. I'm not sure actually. And then I also got a 40 right after, so it was some good solves in there. I'm done competing for the day. So now we're just chilling. Tomorrow is like the 3x3, which is like the main thing. So let's watch Max get a world record.
Uh-oh. Jonah.
Dang it, Jonah. Jonah, you better get a world record now for blocking our view. Let's see what Daniel gets. Hey, nice. Hey, 23. Here we see a Steve taking pictures. Let's see those sick pictures, you know. It's the man himself, surrounded by people recording, including us now. Here we see Chris in his natural element, recording stuff, which is what we are doing, but with a phone instead of that.
The amount of hard drive space taken up by cameras right now.
Definitely my SD card ran out. Daniel has a very nice stack mat face.
Okay, everyone, that concludes our pre-lunch events. So we'll now do the cake cutting ceremony with the Rubik's representative.
Cake cutting ceremony. What is this? It says happy 71st birthday.
Everyone, would you please put your hands together for the youngest competitor, or one of the youngest competitors of this very special event, Laura Ting.
My hands are together.
Tomorrow marks the birthday of someone very, very special. That is, of course, Professor Erno Rubik, the inventor of the Rubik's Cube. So this is the amazing cake. I'll wheel it out so you can all get photos. Is it the biggest cake you've ever cut before? The biggest cake I've ever seen, so you've got an awesome life. That's wonderful, and we'll cut this up into cubes, Rubik's Cubes later, and you can all have a taste.
We have to stand this close to be able to see it.
Oh, it's classic
one?
non-copyright music, that MP3.
Yeah.
Red Square.
Is this the line for the cake? Yeah. Hey, we're first in line. Or kind of. Yeah, there's some actual cutting happening now.
Real action.
Ooh, that looks fancy.
Cake unboxing.
Very pretty.
First turns.
Whoa. Safe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Piece of the cake. Pretty solid. We all need to do first turns.
First turns. Oh boy, that's stiff. Right out of
Yeah.
the box.
Stiff right out of the box.
Oh, this is very stiff. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Tastes like a gummy bear.
Here we go.
Straight brownie.
It is a brownie. It's very chewy. There must be a very good Scube scramble because like 5 people have gotten like 1.6s. Oh yeah, there's a 1.3. There's another 1.3. 1.8. 1.6. Another one. Another 1.3. 1.2. Bro, everyone is like freaking out. So according to all these guys here, that's crazy scramble on Scube was just
was a
U-perm.
U-perm.
Yeah. So that's why everyone you got like a 2.2.
I got a 2.2. I averaged like 7 or 8.
Yeah.
So my basically my Scube single career is over.
Yeah.
I'm not really
Like,
happy about it, to be
Yeah,
honest.
I was
Like,
wondering what kind of scramble would allow like 20 or 30 people to get like below like 1.7. Yeah.
I thought it was a joke and almost got up and left and didn't even do the solve.
It'd be like the 3 like they take a 3x3 cover off and it's like a T-perm.
Yeah,
That's the
that's
entire
exactly
scramble.
what it was.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, send it back, please.
Yeah.
Imagine you got this as your scramble.
Yeah. So you guys are saying someone got 0.97, which would be world 0.93, which is world record, but there was no reaction for it. I think someone got world record, but there was like, really, but there was no reaction.
Andrew Huang.
Oh, okay. So Scube single world record then, and we were sitting right here, and like we were none the wiser.
So you were in the same heat
Incorrect.
too.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, Adam and I came backstage and we were just like,
We got yelled at by the delegate was like, stop talking.
Yeah.
We were like, okay, all right. I'm more happy that my average, I was able to not panic the rest of the time, and my previous PR was a 7.4 average, and I got like a low 6.
Nice.
Yeah,
Dude.
So that was decent.
So double PR.
Yeah, double PR. I haven't gotten a PR in a while, so that feels good. But
Yo, Daniel.
Huh? Hello, how you doing?
got him.
It's Circle Cuber, and I'm here to tell you all about the Rubik's Sphere.
Daniel got
PR average, 794, Square-1.
Sub 8.
Hey, he's been going for sub 8 for like a long time.
He is
A while.
super happy.
Bro.
He is super happy.
That
So
is-
that's great.
Ooh, that's a spicy meatball. Opening ceremonies is about to happen. It's day 2, like the end of day 2, and like now we're doing opening ceremonies. Okay. Ooh, okay. What is this? What is this? Yeah. Hey, there they are. Oh, there's America. Being the most extra as usual. The World Cube Association country. Obviously the best one. Whoa, look at this.
Another big round of applause, especially for the final 4 flags coming on stage. The Australian flag, the Speed Cubing Australia flag, the WCA flag, and the World Championship flag. And now it's my pleasure to introduce the newly elected board member and lead organizer of this year's World Championship, Ethan Pride.
And I'd like to invite you to stay to watch what's going to be some very exciting action for the 7x7, 6x6, clock, and Square-1 finals. Thank you so much for coming, and I hope you have a great time.
Second seed,
Missing out on things
Felix
bigger than
Bro, the difference in like the applause. The difference in the applause was like so crazy. Like not even Max gets that big of an applause. Like pretty solid lineup. We getting some pretty good solves.
And our number 1 seed for clock finals, Tyron Zong.
All right, so up next is Square-1 finals. Again?
Again.
Dude.
Eva Cato.
Woo!
Second seed, Daniel Kana.
Yeah! Yeah. Uh-oh. He's, that doesn't seem really good. His body language is not really that good. Something's wrong. Yeah. He literally spent about a minute or two before inspection. I don't know, he practices specifically for this, for calming his nerves, and that one he wasn't able to do it, it seems like. I could tell from his body language, he got himself nervous because he wasn't able to settle his nerves.
He's not feeling it.
No, he's really not. I think it's very likely he's going to be disappointed if he doesn't do well on this solve.
So my phone ran out of storage, so I didn't really get to record much of that. But this man just got third in Square-1, bro. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
I can't believe it. Honestly.
Bro, I wish I could have recorded my reactions because we were freaking out like so hard. We were all like sitting there, like we were just like,
Wow.
I
knew on the last solve that was the literally last one solved.
Yeah, so now we're heading back to Adam and DG's place to chill. And also, we like left the room for like 2 minutes, and then there was like a 7x7 world record.
Max Park 144.
Yeah, like we've been sitting there for like 3 hours watching people competing, and we leave for 2 minutes, and there's like a world record. So, oh well. Wait, say that again?
Max Park won 7x7 by 21 seconds.
Oh my god, with 2 world records. That's 21-second difference between first and second place. That's crazy. We out here at the Airbnb, and I still can't get over this view. This is like the most like picturesque view ever.